Welcome and thanks for joining us for our Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. The battle between Beenie Man and Bounty Killer have paved a new way for dancehall music, not only locally but on the international scene. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we're about now to discuss the historic moment that Beenie Man and Bounty Killer face off to the more than 500,000 fans on Instagram. We'll be right back after this break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. It's Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. So happy to join you once more on the program. Well, a historic moment between Beenie Man and Bounty Killer is still edged on the minds of many, not only locally but on the international scene. And this has given a new birth to dancehall music and a revival of the aging dancehall, which have seen the two greats face off between each other. Many have said that this is a historic moment and a moment that has gone down in history. And this is a performance that will ever edge on the minds of many. Now, when we look on our state of our dancehall music and how dancehall music could have been great on the international scene, dancehall music is big. However, it is still limited to the confines of Jamaica. And even though some artists might break on the international scene, their level of popularity could be more, and Beenie Man and Bounty Killer right now have just opened up the door for dancehall music to see a new light, and a new light in which people right now can venture to the mainstream of dancehall music. And with the performance of Beenie Man and Bounty Killer and that level of friendship that the two displayed on that stage or on the set of the Versus, this was like the first time, like on the Versus series, that two artists were performing live in living color to thousands of fans right across the world. So many stars were on that live watching these two face off, and at the end of the day, it was like it was not even a competition. The way in which the two dealt with the situation and delivered to their fans right across the world. I watched it from start to end and I enjoyed every single moment of that performance from Beenie Man and that performance from Bounty Killer. And I know that you, the fans out there in the wider world, you can share that same testament about the performances of the two entertainers. These are two iconic veterans. These are two individuals that have been in the music for some time, and throughout their years of musical career, they still continue to dominate the music scene, not only locally but on the international market. These two individuals have collaborated with international stars right across the world and has so far cemented themselves within our dancehall music, and we are supposed to be proud of them based on their accomplishment, not only as a recording artist, but they wave the flag of Jamaica and they wave that flag high with pride and with dignity. Now, the organizers of the competition say they are so overwhelmed with the level of support and the level of recognition that this Versus series got online based on the feedback they're getting from social media users. And I must say that this is one of the greatest Versus series to date. None have topped the level of talk about, and none have topped this level of, what should I say now, the level of necessity that this brings to the music. And when we look on the state of our music and the way in which it is being portrayed, this is a good look for dancehall, and this is a good move. And now other singers just need to just try to traverse on this path and use this as a momentum to propel their musical career right now, because right now dancehall is the most talked about story on the internet. And this is a plus for Jamaica. It's a plus for our music, and it's a plus for upcoming entertainers who want to venture on this path. Our music right now has gone global. Our music is out the dark once more. Our music is out there within the public space for people to see, for people to listen to. And Beenie Man and Bounty Killer have so far paid back this way for our music to be forefront of dancehall. And with that said, I'm just gonna backtrack a little bit about what Swiss Beat had to say about the whole entire development as it relates to the Versus series, one of the most historic performances of the competition so far. So the Versus series will never be the same following the groundbreaking performance of Beenie Man and Bounty Killer on Saturday night. The creators of the online musical clash are grateful for the impact that the Jamaicans had on the series. The co-founders of the competition, Swiss Beats and Timbaland, were so overwhelmed with emotion as they spoke following the event on Saturday night. Tonight Versus series, one of them said, went to the next level. Tonight was something different. Thank you all for being a part of this. Thank you all, you Jamaicans. Thank you for following us to the switch and the format, allowing us to switch the vibe. This might be my favorite Versus series, I can't lie. That is one of the organizers stating this. Tonight was a level. Tonight was a bar. This was a real clash. According to Swiss Speed, the fact that the artists were standing shoulder to shoulder just goes to show you the professionalism and that level of maturity by the two artists as they face off with each other. From time to time, you will have seen competition and people try to stand their ground, but Beenie Man and Bounty Killer, they were basically in the same circle while doing their performances, and both of them enjoyed their moment immensely and had fun while doing it. So Timbaland and Swiss Beat said that Jamaica, which was a third world country, represented as a leader in the world to almost 500,000 people. The organizers of the competition have also hinted that there will be other similar clash coming outside of the Caribbean to come, and that is a great news. We're not sure whether or not they will bring back the series to Jamaica, which will see other dancehall acts taking part in this event, but they have stated that this would have been one of the most historic clash to date online from the competition, and this has garnered international recognition, which have seen this making headlines right across international news media, and is a good look for Jamaica, and is a good look for the world. It's a good look for Beenie Man, a good look for Bounty Killer, and it's a good look for Jamaica. So we're just hoping that this does help Jamaican music and Jamaican artists itself, just in order to just propel the name of dancehall on the international market, and just help them cement that moment within dancehall as they have done it before and they have done it again. And the Versus series was one in which that the two artists did what they had to do just in order to wow their fans right across the world, and they did it without apology. I must say big respect to Beenie Man, big respect to Bounty Killer for facing off in such a professional manner on the Versus series. You can just leave it in the comment section how this Versus series made you feel, and were you online watching the whole entire showdown as it took place. This is Links W7 TV Celebrity School, and we're out for now. Please leave it in the comment section how you felt about the whole entire development of this story. Bless.